Nganzakwethu thi Durban Network Eddington Primary School ila sikhona uday 4 namhlanje sibuya la eEddington Primary School kwehle negoli ke kuyakusho kanjalo la eKZN kuthi lehlile igoli sisizandile namhlanje na uthe cha uzohlanganyela nalaba abalisana nabakholeli ukuthi akusibo ubulungiswa especially to South Africans who are holding the Green ID book. Namhlanje nizothi cha ama-South Africans should be prioritized first on everything.
Angibonge kakhulu. You know the reason why sila namhlanje kakhulu. There are two important things. Ngeviki elidlulile sideleleke kakhulu soMzansi. Sibona ama-foreigner alwisa ama-South Africans wethu. Tina, when one of our own has been victimized, we respond. And man, ngiyabona ukuthi abekho bahambela kude angibaboni la. And that's why we are here today, because we want to show support to March and March. The lady only die March and March is a woman, just like I am a woman. And I'm fighting this battle. This battle is a very difficult battle, but siyayilwa. You know, asilali siphezu kwalo lolu daba lolu sidigida lona every day. But the second important thing is that we are here to support abazali. Babantwana abangatholanga space la. Kunoma othi uhlala la ekhoneni. Uthi ngihlala la ekhoneni kodwa kuthiwa isikole sigcwele. So sifuna ukwazi ukuthi obani laba abagcwele la esikolweni. Udepartment mezothi isikole sinabantu abayi-100 abayi-1000 kodwa more than 900 ama South Africans abasibonisa i-database sizokhululeka ukuthi hayi no ngempela abantwana abafunda kulesi sikole ama South Africa because siyazi thina sisegroundini i-research yethu siyayazi siyayenza abantwana abafunda kulesi sikole more than 80% abantu bokufika abantwana abangaphandle so South Africans must wake up man sekuyisikhathi manje asikwazi ukudeleleka ngalendlela yabona manje ukuthi kushuthi siyaqhwaka sichakela i-country yethu manje so la sizohlala la i-department izoziyenza sure ukuthi yabaplace labantwana abawu-60 ngoba ngiyawuza ukuthi bathi baplace abayi-6 kuphela from 6 it's not enough kuthiwa abantwana mabaye eGreyville I've learned ukuthi eGreyville maybe eGreyville abantwana kumele bagibele ama-taxi awu-2 abazali abanayo leyo mali bahola i-grant but i-grant is not ayifiki nokufika kuyo i-900 because i-transport yomntwana we-1 i-900 uma uzothi umntwana owe-grade R nowe-grade 1 ayogibela double transport ukusuka ekhaya ashiya isikole esi-opposite aye eGreyville kodwa i-foreigner libe safe livele lokho nje lingene ngenyawo asingeke sikuvumele lokho thina sithi labantwana bethu laba bazobafaka la bethanda bengathandi yiko sila angeke sihambe la namhlanje until babathatha labantwana
one of the other issue njengoba ngithi uday 4 sila besiloko sikhona but akekho umuntu ovelayo mhlambe oyi-minister an MEC or an official nje just to show support ukubonisa ukuthi they are condemning the issue at hand kusho ukuthini lokhu ngabaholi abakhona ukuthi badrage inyawo noma into seyibonisa ukuthi ya escalate
the so-called leaders kudala bamove away from ama communities sebeyikhohliwe ukuthi bakuleza itulo ngoba kumele baseve abantu on the ground so bakhohliwe lo so they've lost touch nabantu aba understand ukuthi kenzakalani abazi ngakho bazoqamba amanga basipha ama-report angekho yikho ngithi mina abasiniki i-report bayinika ama-lawyer wethu ukuthi abantwana aba more than 900 ama-South Africans so u-government wethu is being ignorant simache for more than 5 years simache sisemgwaqweni sizama ukubabonisa izinto esiyikhulume 5 years back ziyayenzeka namhlanje so uyayibona i-ignorance yo-government they are arrogant abanandaba nalilizwe sidayisiwe nje vele kudala uma unendaba nento uyayi-attenda inkinga isaseyincane ingakakhulu manje namhlanje inkinga isikhulile ukwazi ukubona ama-foreigner elwa afuna ukuba physical nama-South Africans kulwelwa ama-public facilities wethu kushuthi manje sesizolwa sodwa silwela ama-public facilities kodwa ugovernment ukhona umuntu okuyena kumele ngabe uyayilungisa lento ayikho i-constitution engayenzelwa umhlaba wonke i-constitution mayenza yenzelwa i-South Africa so konke lokho kule constitution is to protect South Africans not abantu bangaphandle babuyele emakhaya bayilungisa inkinga abanazo ema-countryni wabo sizokwazi ukusotha out ezethu inkinga nathi
kunevideo ke ya circulator sisizandile la eyayithi khona kukhona omunye who is a foreign national by the way ekhomba umongameli we-March and March uJacinta and say I'll kill you blah 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 blah. What do you have to say ukuthi ama-South Africans are at a stage whereby bekwazi ukupinpoint umuntu in front of the police athi I will kill you?
Yabona inkinga esisobhekana nayo and it's unfortunate ukuthi kuyinto ezoyenzeka. Sizoba ne-unled revolution in this country because ama-leaders wethu awafuni ukudila ne-issue esibhekene nayo siyi-country. That's the reason why sila namhlanje because besifuna ukuthi basiqonde nathi. Abangaqondi uJacinta bethi bezombulala. Mina-ke sengijwayele kudala bengibulala kudala bangishaya ngama-death threats sengijwayele but I'm still alive and I'm still gonna fight this thing until I get to the bottom of it. Ugovernment akashesha enze something. Ama-leaders wethu, traditional leaders abasukume balwisane nathi ngayo lempilo. Ama-South Africans more especially i-entertainment ayipheli izohlezi khona but asilungiseni because this thing izo-affecta iy'ngane zethu in just the near future manje nje kungekudala. Sizobe sine-president ebizwa ngo-Okonkwo la kule country masingabhekanga kahle and sizobe sizoyenza njani because musubona bakwazi ukurejista ama-political party angithi banawo ama-citizenship bawathola so bayakwazi ukurejista so nje abantu futhi ngicela nje ukuthi mabasubmithe mabayenza ama-submissions wabo ku-white paper so that le constitution izolungisiwa wonke lama-loopholes akhona sikwazi ukwalungisa though sikoba sawayenza ama-submissions yathathwa yabekelwe etafuleni laka-president yacollecta i-dust. I'm not sure kuzoyenzakalani manje but ngiyabona ukuthi ama-delay tactics abafuni ukudila nale issue ye-immigration. Kaningi sicela uhulumeni ukuthi akadeclare a state of emergency on illegal immigrants because sebebaningi asikwazi ukubabala. You can't be living with ghosts. Umuntu me-commit i-crime akwazi nokuthi uzomtholaphi nangumoyo in Gauteng
Shot the police.
abakamtholi nanamhlanje because umoya is not documented, umoya is not known. Ungathola ukuthi umoya u-like KZN namhlanje but amaphoyisa angeke akwazi ukumtrace because umoya is not known, umoya is not documented. So sinenkinga enkulu la kule country and unfortunately we have arrogant and ama-leader wethu they are no longer for people seba for foreigners.
Because last time we were here there was a guy Wagamngati, if I'm not mistaken, who's a spokesperson for the education in the province. It's first come first serve esikoleni mawufike late awuyitholi indawo irrespective that you South African or not.
Yabona inkinga enkulu esinayo ukuthi yena lo government wenza imithetho bese yena futhi ayiphule leyo mithetho. Uma uthola i-application form iyalista ama-documents ekumele ube nawo uma uwumzali. Kumele ube ne-ID yakho, ube ne-birth certificate yomntana, ube ne-proof of res. Uma uyi-foreigner you must have a visa. Abanawo ama-visa labantu bazowathathaphi abanawo ama-visa so basithola kanjani ispace? Ngiya-understanda menzothi first come first serve. Usithola kanjani ispace umntana engekho documented? Okokuqala nje isikole sazelaphi ukuthi umntana uyu umama wakhe lo because ayikho into ebonisayo ukuthi umntana wami yimi umama wakhe. That's when kungena indaba ye-kidnapping ne-human trafficking and into esizama ukuyibonisa ne-department ukuthi yini eniyipromotayo lento ye-kidnapping. Abantu bakidnapha abantwana babalethe ey'kolweni bazobafundisa and nina aniyenzi lutho ngalokho. But also that's the same reason why we are going to court. On Monday we will be filing our court papers because we are opposing indaba yama extension of the ZEPs. Indaba yama ZEP ukuthi izoloku extendiwa asifuni and we extend unlawfully. So we will be challenging that but we'll give you more details on Monday.
So right now kule situation esikuyona yale skole, I think it is an example of many schools that are facing the similar problem.
Yes. It's you know KZN, I think this is just one hotspot. Gauteng there are a few hotspots. In Joburg South yila ama-foreigner egcwele khona, abantwana bakhona yila abafunda khona. Mondio president, you know, Mondio primary, ama-Miete yila abantwana bagcwele khona. But also we're fighting that but no government just fail. But yabona sometimes bathi umuntu ufuna ukuzwa ngesikhumba makusemnandi siloku sixoxa because kudala siba ney'xoxo nabo kodwa bayenzi lutho ngalokho. I'm saying to South Africans, stand up, it's time to reclaim what belongs to you before you lose your country.
Last question. Njengoba bebaningi la, I think you've been told ukuthi ku-Point Road kakhulu kuhlala ama-foreign immigrants and stuff. Baye baba nengxoxo ethi that was circulating as well yokuthi la ku-Point Road indawo yabo. Lesibhedlela lesi esiku-Point Road which is Eddington Hospital, isibhedlela sabo. Isikole lesi isikole sabo. Bathi into ezila ezabo because i-area yabo le dominator.
Uyayibona ke inkinga ya government uhulumeni ohluleka ukulawula into zakho because ama properties kahulumeni lawo. Public facilities are managed uhulumeni, but if ukhona umuntu oqhamuka from ngaphandle ongena namaphepha, most yabo banawo amaphepha bayawafake aclaim into kweyakho bese nawe uyathula. But thina ngeke sivume ukuqhwagelwa i-country yethu. That's the same reason sila namhlanje siqhubeka ngalomzabalazo ngoba angeke sivume. We are mobilizing more people to come on board because soon i-country yethu izobihambile. I mean njengoba la Eddington kuthiwa eyabo nase Goli khona indawo ekuthiwa iSunnyside, bathi nje indawo yama South Africa, indawo yama foreigner. Yes, neHillbrow. But Hillbrow ingcono ngoba ama South Africans say Sunnyside is worse. iSunnyside I think iyafana nayo le. But thina siyaya ke Sunnyside. So I want to say abantu base KZN, mina I know them for who they are. They can do this. It's doable, this thing. We must just make sure let's mobilize each other as Sugumeni. Not promoting violence. I'm calling for peace, but let us wake up and do what's right for our country.
Really appreciate it.